Hello children, today we will learn about articles. In article we will see that what is article and how many types of articles there are. Okay, so look here, this is definition of article. An article is a word. An article is a word that is used to modify a noun which is a person, place, object, or idea. An article is a word that is used to modify, to specify a noun, means the word of article is used to specify a noun. You have learnt about noun. A noun may be person, a noun may be place, a noun may be object or idea. Am I right? You have learned that in proper noun there is person, place, material noun will be object, abstract noun will be idea. I know there are 5 types of noun you have learned in previous videos. So article is the words which is used to specify, to modify a noun. Basically an article is an adjective which is any word that modifies a noun. Basically an article is an adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is a word which is used before a noun. And it qualifies a noun. The adjective qualifies a noun. It tells about some special properties of an noun, So basically an article is an adjective which is any word that modifies a noun. Okay, there are 2 different types of articles that we use in grammar to point out a noun. There are 2 different types of article. 2 articles can be divided into 2 parts. There are 2 types of articles in grammar to point out a noun. Means it modifies a noun with 2 or 3 words, and the words which is divided into 2 parts. The parts are definite article and indefinite article. Definite article, indefinite article. Definite article tells about something specific, objects or some particular objects, while indefinite article tells us about something non-particular or non-specific objects. Therefore, in definite articles there are one article, the comes. Okay, and in definite article there are 2 words, a and an come. So there are 3 articles in grammar, that is the, a and an. So these three words when it is used before a noun, when it modifies a noun, it calls article. Okay, in the next video we will learn about the uses of articles. Thank you.